Ever wondered what a quiet title action is and why it's so essential in the real estate world? A quiet title action is a lawsuit filed in a court to establish a party's title to real property against anyone and everyone, and thus quiet any challenges or claims to the title. It's a crucial tool in the real estate sector, offering a way to resolve disputes over property ownership. This legal process is particularly important to parties such as homeowners, real estate professionals, investors, pension plan managers, and financial professionals. Understanding the requirements to file a quiet title action can be crucial, and that's where we come in. In this video, we'll demystify quiet title actions, breaking them down into clear, manageable steps so you can navigate this complex process with confidence. In the following scenes, we will break down the process of filing a quiet title action into clear, manageable steps. The first step in filing a quiet title action is determining the correct jurisdiction. This process isn't as intimidating as it sounds. It simply means you need to file the action in the superior court of the county where the property is located. Why is this so important? Well, courts have what's called geographical jurisdiction. This means they have the power to make decisions about events, people, and properties within a specific area. So, if you were to file your case in a different county, the court may not have the authority to make a decision about your property. It's kind of like playing a home game in sports. You wouldn't play your home game in the opposing team's stadium, right? The same principle applies to legal cases. You need to play on your home turf, so to speak, which in this case is the superior court of the county where your property is located. Filing in the correct jurisdiction is the crucial first step in a quiet title action. Once you've determined the correct jurisdiction, it's time to verify your complaint. This isn't just a fancy legal term, it's an essential step to establish the credibility of your claim. Verification means that your complaint is sworn to be true, under oath, by you, the plaintiff. It's like putting your signature on a document, but with much more weight. This step is crucial because it demonstrates to the court that you stand by your claim. A verified complaint ensures the credibility and authenticity of your claim. A key part of your quiet title action is providing a detailed description of the property. Now, you might think, isn't the address enough? Not quite. The address is just the beginning. You need to include more than just where the property is located. Think of it this way. You're painting a picture with words. You need to provide the legal description of your property. This includes the lot number, the block number, the tract number, or any other relevant details that can be found in your property deed or title report. This detailed description is crucial because it helps to precisely identify the property in question. It leaves no room for ambiguity or confusion. Remember, in a quiet title action, precision is key. Any vagueness or uncertainty can weaken your case and make your claim less convincing. A comprehensive property description is vital to strengthen your case. The next steps involve identifying all known adverse claims and requesting relief from the court. Now let's unravel what this means. Essentially, you need to name all other parties who may have an interest or claim in the property. This isn't just about your neighbor who's been eyeing your backyard. It includes anyone, from a previous owner to a line holder, who may assert a claim against your property. This process is not about playing the blame game, but rather ensuring that all potential claims are brought to light. Once these claims are identified, you then file a formal prayer for relief. No, this doesn't involve any divine intervention. In legal terms, a prayer for relief is simply your request for the court to establish your title against all adverse claims. It's your way of formally asking the court to recognize your ownership and dismiss all other claims. Identifying all adverse claims and properly requesting relief are vital steps in your quiet title action. The final steps in filing a quiet title action involve ensuring proper service of process and establishing your standing. Let's delve into these crucial steps. Proper service of process is paramount. It ensures that all parties who may have an interest or claim to the property are informed about the action. This gives them the opportunity to respond, making the final judgment binding. Now, standing. In legal terms, standing refers to the right to bring a lawsuit. To have standing in a quiet title action, you typically need to have an ownership claim to the property. This could be you owning the property outright, or you having an interest in it. It's what gives you the legal right to file the action. Without standing, your case could be dismissed. So remember, ensure proper service of process and establish your standing to make your quiet title action a success. Ensuring proper service and standing are the final steps to successfully file your quiet title action. Let's recap the key points we covered about filing a quiet title action. First, you need to file in the correct jurisdiction, which means taking your action to the superior court in the county where the property is located. Your complaint must be verified, sworn to be true by you, the plaintiff. This ensures the credibility and authenticity of your claim. When describing the property, be thorough. Include a legal description and all relevant details, not just the address. Your claim will be stronger if you state your title and explain how you came to own the property or the nature of your interest in it. It's also crucial to identify all known adverse claims to the title of the property. Name all other parties who may have an interest or claim in the property. Don't forget to include a formal prayer for relief, asking the court to establish your title against all adverse claims. Proper service of process to all interested parties is essential, as it gives them a chance to respond and makes the final judgment binding. You must have standing to bring the suit, usually established by having an ownership claim to the property. And finally, have a legal basis for your action, such as a dispute over ownership, errors in the chain of title, or other defects that need resolution. Remember, quiet title actions are complex, and consulting a real estate attorney is highly recommended. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.